What's up, guys? THESandslasher here, bringing you another episode of your brand new Pokemon Crystal Nuzlocke. Now, last time we got ourselves some lovely encounters. We got ourselves the word, a lovely little Pidgey, one of the best Pidgeys, and we got a Dunsparce, which, by the way, I looked up, it's a 1% encounter in the Dark Cave, which is ridiculous. We got it as our first encounter, and it's 1%. 1%. And we also started getting up Sprout Tower here, and we got Ember. So now that we've got Ember, let's go ahead and put Dwayne in the front, just so we can level him up a bit. And also we haven't got our encounter in here yet, so that's something to look forward to. Oh, well, there you go. A Rattata. Oh, that's disappointing. That's very disappointing. Don't they have Ghastlies in here and shit? Oh well. Not that I have anything to touch a Ghastly with, so I guess I can't complain. Ooh, gonna crit me, are you? Gonna crit me, are you? Guess I'm just gonna speed this up a bit. Boy! Another crit! How are you gonna get so many crits? The sound was off for some reason. That's weird. What is back on now? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I've got to heal up. Don't worry, man. Don't worry, Dwayne. I won't let you die. You can tail whip me. Do I want this Rattata? Or would I rather kill it? You know what? I feel like we don't really need it. Quick attack could be useful, but at the same time, I don't really feel like using a Rattata, to be honest. I think the experience is way more worth it than Dwayne. Anyway, if we go up here, look, we're already there. Our cool, lovely free potion here. And let's fight these guys. Whew! And by the way, guys, it's my birthday today. And I don't mean when I'm recording this, I don't mean when it's going up, I mean both. Because yeah, I'm recording this late, and hopefully it'll be up on time. I mean, it's supposed to be up Friday evening in America, okay? If it's not up Friday evening in America, I'm sorry, it's late. It was my birthday yesterday. I'm gonna have to swap out here, because this thing is not taking a Vine Whip any day of the week. Any day of the week. Because it's 3 levels lower, and it's Quad Reek is Geodude Rock Ground. Yeah, I think he is. He might be Pure Rock, I'm not sure, but I think he's cool. That's nice. Dwayne getting to level level 5 there. Hopefully we'll be able to get a rock type move on him for Faulkner, which is why I'm using him while I'm leveling him up rather than Dunsparce or the Word, because I feel like they'll probably be more useful in the long run, but I mean, we'll see. Graveler can put in work, won't get golden, but you know, we'll see. Could be good. I'm not sure what level it bowls. I'll definitely check that between episodes, just so that I know. Oh, why would I click tackle? Why would I do that? Ah, fuck it, it's a 3-hit KO. Save me PP. Dwayne learns defense curl, okay. I mean, sure, I guess. Let me see how much you trust your Pokemons. Okay. I trust them. I trust them. I trust them. I don't trust Dwayne enough to go up against a Bellsprout, but I mean, you know, what do you expect, boy? Boy. Boy. Certainly not, sir. Even though you're only one level above, it might not one-shot, but still, I am not taking the risk of that. Just click Ember here. Lovely. Nice and crit there. The crit didn't matter, but Dwayne's level 7. About to use Hoot Hoot. Yes, I've got to get all the levels onto Dwayne here. And I'm pretty sure Ace can come in on this thing. I'm 5 levels above. I don't think there's anything he can do other than Hypnosis, which would be kind of annoying, but you know what? Can I 1v1 this thing? I think I can 1v1 this thing. Yo, not bad. Not even bad. You are indeed skilled as a trainer. Indeed skilled as a trainer you are. Your HM, as promised, here is. Here as promised as well. But this, say let me. Your Pokemon, better you must treat. Far too harsh the way you battle is. Tools of war Pokemon are not. This guy's Yoda. Humph. He claims to be the elder, but he's weak. It stands to reason. I'd never ruse to fools who babble about being nice to Pokemon. I only care about strong Pokemon that can win. I really couldn't care less about weak Pokemon. Vince Ree. Nice and escape rope. Nice and escape rope. I'll fight you, man. I'll fight you. A bright future together to build. The final test. I am. To check the ties between your Pokemon and you. Let me. I think I got that order wrong, that last one. Oh well. Just got out of the shower. My hair's kind of wet. Like Roman Reigns wet. Like pretty wet. But it's good, it's good. It's all good. It is literally all good. Okay, Ace, you can come in here. You can come in here. Vine Whip, that's 2 damage. Ember. And that is how you get wrecked, Bellsprout. It's super effective. Enemy Bellsprout fainted. Not bad. Ace grew to level 13, which is nice and powerful. Will Sand change Pokemon? Yeah, I'm changing. Dwayne can come back in here. What level are you? Can I beat you? I mean, if you're going for tackles, I can beat you. I know that for a fact. Gonna growl, what does that do? It's gonna lower my defense, I'm not. My attack. This could be annoying. Here, let's just heal up, and I'll be good to go. lots of experience, hopefully, because it is two levels above me, and it's a hoot hoot, and I'm just a rock, but I'm the Rock. So yeah, Dwayne the Rock Johnson. Nice. Fainted. 123 experience. Nice. Medium moves. Bellsprout. Okay. No, I won't change, but I will. Yeah. You know how it goes. Pokemon Ace. Vine Whip there on me, which is perfectly acceptable. And I'm just going to click Ember here. It'll get Dwayne up to level 10, which will be lovely. Was that enough to learn Rock Throw? No? No, that's a shame. Wonder what level it learns Rock Throw. No problem in using this move, your Pokemon, and you should have. Okay. Okay. So, with that said, what's next? I guess let's go... I guess let's go to the gym. Do a couple of the first trainers, I guess. Pack. Escape rope. I don't know, do we have enough time to do the gym? I mean, we're 12 minutes in right now. So, maybe? Oh, sorry, my bad. I've got to go heal up first. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool, to be honest. I mean, let's get started, see how we do. Hey, I'm a trainer, but I can give you some advice. Believe me, if you believe me, a championship dream can come true. You believe me, then listen. The grass type is weak against the flying type. Keep that in mind. Okay. Yeah. Let me see if you are good enough to face Faulkner. I mean, sure, you can test me. Boy. If you don't believe me, then come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. I mean, use Peck. Yeah, it's gonna do nothing. Lovely. Okay. The keyword is guts. Those here are training night and day to become bird Pokemon masters. Bird Pokemon masters. You know, there's no such thing as a bird type, right? Honestly. Okay, so you've got a Pidgey. That's cute. I've got a Pidgey too. My Pidgey's a lower level than yours, actually. But that doesn't matter, because I've got Dwayne the Cock Johnson. Go to level 11. Is that Rock 3 yet? Yeah! We win. We win the gym. It's over. No, there's no need for me to change. I've got Rock Throw now. We've got Rock Throw. So I guess after this, we just got to level something else up. What's next? Dunsparce, I guess. Dunsparce is pretty cool, and I can level up Pidgey early and it'll still be useful as a Pidgeot late game, but Dunsparce won't be useful late game at all. I would heal up, but I don't see the need to. Because I think I won't allow such insults to the bird Pokemon. Okay. I'm just gonna whack you with a rock. I'm just gonna whack you with a rock here. Just gonna throw a rock at you. You can call that 2 birds with 1 stone, except there's only 1 bird. But, it's you know, I think I literally just threw myself at it. I mean, I'm throwing myself at birds here. Just saying. Oh, Pidgeotto. That's a little bit scary, I guess. Still gonna use Rock Throw on you. What's that? Yeah, it would be super effective against both rock and electric types, so that's kind of clever, but I get a crit. I don't know if that mattered or not, but either way, you just went down. Darn, my cherished bird Pokemon. Alright, take this. Zephyr badge. And we just beat the gym. That took like literally took 5 minutes to beat that. And we still have time to go and get ourselves an encounter, because we kind of gave up our encounter earlier on. So yeah, let's go and get ourselves an encounter in the next yeah, I know how Flash works. Oh, you're giving me Mud Slap. That's kind of cool. I might give that to Dwayne. I might give that to Dwayne. Could be of use. Professor Elm's calling me. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. We discovered something about the my assistant has a Pokemon sometimes violence. I think you could talk to him. Sure. Yeah, I got to go and heal up anyway, so might as well talk to this guy. Where's the down here, right? Yeah. Oh, long time no see, Professor Elm just me to see you. He has another favour to ask. Would you take the Pokemon egg? Yeah, I'll take the egg. Discover other Pokemon will not hatch until it grows in the egg. It also has to be, well, with active Pokemon, and you're the only person we can rely on. Okay. That's fine. Got to heal up. Not that there's a lot. That's fine. Yeah, we're like 19 minutes in, and we have time for an encounter here, which is dope as fuzz. Oh, wrong way. Is it this way? There's not. What was this? She uses names of her favourite things to eat, but it's under the nickname she gives to her Pokemon, I mean. I call my Pidgey Strawberry. I mean, that's a perfectly nice nickname. I call mine the Word. I mean, I think I beat you there on nicknaming, but I mean, it's all subjective, I guess. So our first encounter on Route 306, I think it was, is a lovely Bellsprout. I am not complaining about that. Makes us one step closer to completing our fire, water, and grass core. Who was it that was? An Onyx for a Bellsprout, they said earlier, didn't they? Yeah, I've got Dwayne. Swap out here. Into... What level are you? Level 5. Okay, I can swap out into... Pidgey. I'll swap out into Ace, but I don't if you can take a hit from me, even if it's just a tackle. But I know you can take a tackle from this thing. Yeah. You can take one more, right? You can take one more, please? Please? Yeah, thought so. Ouch. Anyway, I'm going to throw a ball at you, because that's the kind of guy I am. And we got ourselves a Bellsprout, which is nice. What are we going to call this thing? What are we going to call this thing? Yeah, I'm going to give you a nickname. That's an Oddish, not a Bellsprout. Oh, fuck. What are we going to call you? This is hard. This is kind of hard. I don't know what to call you. I don't really have any Bellsprout nicknames. I mean, Victory Bell. What do I call Victory Bells? Oh right, yeah, I call them James. I guess we could call you James. Yeah, let's call you James. Sorry guys, I don't have any better names for it. Anyway, that's a lovely, perfect time to finish this episode off. So if you've enjoyed this episode, make sure to leave a like button down below. Just touch it. Just put your mouse over it. Just go to the like button and just touch it. Just touch it. Or if you didn't like it, then dislike it. Click dislike, and let me know in the comments below why you didn't like it, and subscribe to see me get better in the future. Now, with that said, I've been THESandslasher, and I'll see you soon.